Hello, I'm going to be teaching you how to use Spreadshirt today. And as you can see here, I'm already logged in and I'm in the design section here, as you can see with the shirt icon. And what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to actually get my file and I'm just going to drag it in here. As you can see, it's uploading, and then I'm just going to click this arrow right here and then click sell in the marketplace. And then I'm going to check each design to see if they're properly fit. So I just want to check this out. I want to make this probably slightly bigger. Probably make this slightly bigger. Put it to the top. I can also change the color here as well. I think I'm going to stick with this one. Make this slightly bigger. Lower it a little. Probably make a darker color. And as you can see, I'm just going straight through these right now. You can also see how it's doing the back as well. But I just choose to do in the front. You can also deactivate the colors here as well. As you can see, there's a lot of colors to choose. You can actually just deactivate the ones that you don't feel like it's going to be used. Since this is a pink elephant, I feel that maybe these colors are not that suitable for this design, so I'll take these out. Now I'm going to check if I checked every single design here. I think it looks good, so I'm just going to click next. And as you can see here, this is the back end where you have to name it and type the description. So I'm just going to name this 5th grade teacher for life. The reason why I named it, that's what it says right here. And so I'm gonna put for description, and you just have to tell a story or write anything you want to explain the design. So I'm just gonna put, I love teaching 5th grade because it's awesome to teach my students. I'm just going to leave it here. As you can see, there's 200 characters that you can do. I would actually try to fill up the whole thing. But just for this example here, I'm just going to leave it here for now. Now, tags are, I would say, like keywords to help people search for your description. So I would just put anything related to this design. So for example, this would be teacher. I think grade's fine. Teacher training's fine. I would put maybe 5th grade. I would put student. I would put teaching. And as you can see on the bottom, it starts to give you some suggested tags, and I would actually choose these. So back to school. And I'm just going to leave it here for now, but as you can see, I only have 14. I would actually try to fill up the whole thing, but just for this example, just showing you about the related tag suggestions. Now for the set design price, as you can see, there's multiple options. You can do 0, which I believe you don't get any profit. You can do 1 or 2. This is entirely up to you. I'm going to just put 1 for the sake of this video, but you can also do custom price as well. So I think you can go up to $5 if you like. And as you can see, your earnings will be $5. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to put maybe 3 just to simplify it more. And I'm just going to click create. And that's how you make your upload on Spreadshirt.